Hello everyone, my name is Ong Ning. In this video, I want to demo how my system function and operate. My system name is Runner. It's a freelance delivery system for Android application. It provides 3 services, which are package service, convenient goods and food service, and also postage service. First, if user want to use this system, they need to open the GPS, the location, to let the application access their location. After user have installed the application, it will be redirected to the login page. User will need to key in their phone number like 669-76-7682 and click on the login button. It will be redirected to the verify page, and then user will receive the message with the code, and user will need to key in the code on the provided place like 309645 and click on the verify OTP. If the code is correct, user will be redirected to the main service page and the below button of the main service page that consists of 3 buttons, which are customer, runners, and profile. Here in the customer main service page, customer can click on the plus button and customer will need to key in the name and the destination of their item need to be delivered. For example, my name is Ong Ning and the destination is Changlun, and the road to the Changlun will show on the map, and we'll need to click on the add item button and it will go to the service selection page. Customer can choose either one of the service. For package service, customer will need to choose the size and also the quantity of the item, and for the convenient goods and foods, customer will need to key in the store name, item name, and also select the size and quantity. And for the last service, which is the postage service, customer will also need to select the quantity and size and also key in the recipient name and recipient address. After that, if customer want to choose package service, customer need to choose the size and the quantity, and the size I choose M and the quantity I choose 3. After that, click on the proceed checkout and they will show the package summary, and after that proceed payment, and customer can choose the type of payment they want to make. For example, I want to choose mapping to you, then I click on the make payment. And after the payment is made, the order will save and show on the customer main service page, and the status is awaiting runner. Now, same for the runner. Runner also need to verify their phone number before they can access the application. In the runner main service page, runner will need to choose the vehicle type such as motor, car, or car XL. For example, if runner have a car, he will click on the car, and then they can see the order list from the car, and the runner can click on the order and view the orders, the road to the road, and also the order detail. And runner will need to key in their name and the car plate number, and for example, runner name is Ong and car plate number is PKJ 123. After that, runner will need to click on the take this delivery, and a message will pop out to call runner to proceed the delivery. And after that, if the delivery is complete, runner will need to click in the complete this delivery. Then the order will not show on the order list because it is successfully delivered by the runner. And go to the profile. Customer can view their order from the order history, and these are the order history of customer. And for the runner, they can earn their pay on click on the receipt payment. And if runner want to withdraw the money, they will click on the withdraw, and then the status of the order will show to the runner that has paid. And the service are differentiated by the text shown in the end of the order ID. For example, PA stands for package service, GO stands for convenient goods and food service, and PO stand for postal service. And the last, runner and customer can log out from the system by click on the log out button, and they will redirect to the login page. So that's all for my application. Thank you.